Lead Scout agent. Let me start with the problem statement. Before a sales representative sends a call email, they need to do their homework first. What question may arise? Firstly, what does this company do? Secondly, what is happening with them right now? Last but not least, what problem might they actually care about? To done it properly takes 20 to 30 minutes per lead. Most representatives don't have that kind of time for every lead, so research get skipped and outreach become generic. So as a result, I built lead served agent to close that gap. One company name in, a researched personalized email out in under a minute. Next is why agents plus architecture. As you can view, there are three agents in a fixed pipeline built with Google's agent development kit. A researcher agent searches the web for real current information about the company. That research is automatically passed through shared session rate into a writer agent, which draft a short personalized cold email. Finally, a server agent using a custom tool I built logs everything to a CRM file marked as pending review. Nothing is ever sent automatically. A human has to read and approve every draft first. That is a deliberate security boundary, not a missing feature. Now we are moving to our demo. So let me show you live. I am, as you can see, I am typing a random company name. Now I will press click research and draft. As I press, it is browsing a real live web search right now, not pulling from memory. So this will work for any company, not just well-known ones. Here it is. As you can see, here is the research briefing. What they do, recent news, the pain point it identified, and here is the email it drafted. It referenced something specific and real, not a generic opener. And if I open the CRM tracker, it show me lead underscore crm.csv file, which is showing me company which I have logged here such result as a pending review. Now we are moving forward to quick glimpse of code or our file structure. As I have told earlier, there are three agents are wired together with ADK sequential agent, which runs them in order and pass data between them automatically. No as a manual glue code. The research use ADK's built-in Google search tool. The saver use a custom tool I wrote from myself following the MCP pattern. I tested this one as on our well-known companies, smaller one, and even Vogue conversational input, and it handled all of them correctly. I also used Google Antigravity to generate a structured test plan by reading through my agent code. That's all for today. Let us move to closing while mentioning lead scout agent turns a 20 minutes to 30 minutes manual task into a minute while keeping a human in control of everything that actually goes out. So thank you for watching.